Welcome to Flange Wizard, welder's choice for quality since 1981. All Flange Wizard tools are made in the USA. Recently I talked about the Plasma Beveling Guide, part number PBG-601. This is a great tool for cutting circles, small or large, random patterns, straight lines, or you could lock it into 3 different beveling positions. Now what I want to do is feature the 8910-P, which is the Wizard Plasma Burning Guide's case. In this case, it has the PBG, along with several other popular Flange Wizard tools. So let's get started. I've opened up the 8910-P Plasma Beveling Guide case so you can see all the tools inside. So start off, of course, with the Plasma Beveling Guide itself. When you order the Plasma Beveling Guide, you want to make sure you specify the bushing. So after the part number 89-10-P-, then we put the bushing size, and I'll show you how that works next. If you happen to have a kit and the bushing size isn't correct, it's really easy to change out with the proper bushing. Just flip this over, and on this side there's a snap ring. It's easy to remove. Replace the bushing with the bushing size that you need. Snap the snap ring back in place, and you're ready to go. In the center top, you have the very popular magnetic tape measure holder. The strong magnet on the bottom, the vial so you can do a quick leveling check, and then on the left hand side a very strong magnet so you can attach your tape tip, run your tape measure across the shop by yourself if you don't have somebody to hold the other end for you when you're working on a piece of steel. Then we have the MSB 202s that we could fit on any straight edge or square. They're very strong. They've got these switchable magnets, so it'll stick solidly to the piece of steel you're working on, and when you turn them off, they stay clean. Very versatile tool to create a straight cutting guide for yourself. On the bottom left here, we have the magnetic base with the straight pin and the suction cups. It's a very strong magnet. So if you want to use a magnet instead of a pivot pin like you have in the tool right now, you just replace the pivot pin with the straight pin. Now you can use the magnetic base. These suction cups on the bottoms just unscrew, and you can put them aside when you're working with steel and want to use the magnet. But when you're working with non-ferrous material, you want to use these suction cups on your stainless or aluminum to hold the tool solidly in place while you cut your circle. Very nice tool. Then we have these 2 Allen key wrenches. The larger one's going to be used when you want to adjust the wheels, the height, or if you need to reposition them or take them out or put them in, you can use this particular tool here. The smaller one is designed for when you want to take your torch out or secure the torch. You got 3 Allen set screws here that you will tighten on the cup of your plasma. The 8910-P, a must-have for the professional, for the DIY, or the student. Comes in this great case, great tools, Flange Wizard, made in the USA.